Changing your oil is an essential part of vehicle maintenance that most people can do at home. We'll show you basic steps to do the job on a 2008 Nissan Altima, but most vehicles are similar to the steps we'll show in this video. Check with an AutoZoner or input your vehicle on AutoZone.com to select the correct oil weight, type, and amount, as well as the right oil filter. This information will also be in your owner's manual. Before getting started, you'll need oil, an oil filter, and a few other supplies. Stop by AutoZone or visit AutoZone.com for everything you need. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels. Raise the front of your vehicle and secure it onto jack stands. Open the hood and remove the oil filler cap. Look under your car for the drain plug and set a pan under the plug. Use a wrench to remove the plug and drain the oil. Drain the oil until it slows to a drip. Clean the drain plug and install it, being careful not to over-tighten. Now locate the filter and put the pan underneath it. Remove the filter. Oil will start to come out and fall into the pan. Whether you have a spin-on type filter or cartridge filter, you'll need to check with your AutoZoner to get the correct removal tool if necessary. Check to make sure the old filter's gasket was removed with the old filter. Wipe the filter mount. Lubricate the seal on a spin-on filter or the O-ring on a cartridge filter. Install the new filter, but don't over-tighten. Use a funnel to add the correct amount of new oil. Check the oil level, replace the cap, and look for any leaks. Make sure the cap, plug, and filter are all secure. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Then stop the engine, let it sit, and check the oil level again. Top off if you need to, and check for leaks one more time. Reset the oil maintenance reminder, or put one of our stickers in the windshield so you'll know when to change your oil again. Change intervals are specific to type of oil and your vehicle. When that time comes, remember you can get all the parts, tools, and trustworthy advice you need from AutoZone.
Get in the zone, AutoZone.